everyone. Welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Well, as you can see, today we're going to make this delicious and healthy sabji with these beautiful and fresh amaranth leaves. So let's get started and check it out.
For this dish, I'm using a nice large pan. Once the pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter and the dal turns golden, reduce the flame and add about half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder. Next, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, lightly crushed with your skin, followed by a few curry leaves. Along with these, add 2 onions finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit. Let the garlic and onions cook well until aromatic and golden. I have soaked a quarter cup of moong dal for about an hour. So once the onions are done, add the soaked moong dal. After mixing the dal, let this cook for about 2 minutes. Next, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well and let the tomatoes cook until they turn nice, soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes soften, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix everything well. I've cleaned, washed and finely chopped 2 bunches of spinach. Once the tomatoes are fully cooked, add the chopped spinach leaves and mix well. Spinach releases a lot of water as it cooks, so there's no need to add any extra water. Cover the pan and let it cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the pan and you'll notice that the spinach is perfectly cooked, blending beautifully with the dal. This dish pairs wonderfully with hot sambar rice, rasam rice or rotis. It's a wonderful, healthy and easy to make side dish. You can enjoy the spinach as is with just a little bit of rice and drizzle with a little ghee. It's a very nice and comforting meal. With garlic, onions and dal enhancing its flavors, this dish is both aromatic and very tasty.
Very flavorful. It's very nice. And I'm getting all the flavors of that nice amaranth leaves. It's really, really tasty. Now, I'm enjoying this only with steamed rice, but you can have it with rasam, sambar, or even with chapati as a side dish. I really enjoyed that sabji. So next time you go to the market, you find these leaves nice and fresh, make sure you buy them and try this side dish. You can enjoy it however you want. To try, let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.